Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can check when a friend is in chat on Snapchat. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, click on your profile picture on the top and click on here see when friend are in chat. So here you can see an icon that a person is seeing towards the smartphone. So basically this is a new update. Click here and you need to subscribe to friends in chat, and once you subscribe you can see this type of icon with your friends in conversation if someone is using Snapchat. So here you can see that all are without smartphone, but once they are using the smartphone or on the chat, you can see that your this type of icon, let me show you, in which that your friend is able to see that you are able to see your friend is watching towards the smartphone that I show you early. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.